ब्रेकफास्ट प्लेट में है पुट्टू समथिंग केरला डिश विद कडला करी एंड वड़ा एंड नारियल की चटनी, और इनकी प्लेट में है लॉट्स ऑफ काशरोल्स विद इडली एंड वड़ा, ऑल टाइम फेवरेट इनका. So can you please tell me how to eat this? Like this is something new for me.
This is a mixture of rice flour and coconut, grated coconut.
Okay, this is a mixture of rice flour and coconut.
Yeah, grated coconut.
Grated coconut.
You have to first crush this one.
Okay.
And just add little kadal curry on that.
Okay, crush it like this.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Just
with
add
curry.
this kadal curry.
I think this is black chana.
Yeah, black chana.
This is kadla curry here.
हमारे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
हाँ.
ओके, लेट्स हैव इट.
This is nice.
ग्रेट, एंजॉय इट.
Taste it. Yeah.
द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि लाइव किचन से जब आपको ये फ्रेश डोसा मिलता है ना, इट एड्स अप टू द टेस्ट. ठीक है, फ्रेशनेस एट अनदर लेवल, प्रिपेयर्ड रिसेंटली, बहुत ही मस्त लगता है. Enjoying with the peanut chutney. Somebody who is very restricted to dosa is enjoying the dosa here.
It is very tasty.
It's tasty actually. Good property पे आते हो. The major important thing is कि you feel like कि how the hospitality is. Live kitchen है. खुद जाके बनाना है तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. But yes, since you're on vacation, you will prefer कि having the food what they have prepared, and yes, try something different. Okay, you may feel like अरे ये कैसा होगा, ये कैसा होगा, but until you try the local cuisine food, no, you won't get the exposure of how the actual food looks like, कि उनका traditional खाना क्या है, why do they eat that. Okay, and coconut and banana is something which is very much highly grown in this area. You will find a lot of dishes related to that. And that is how geographical changes brings unity in the country, and मज़ा आ रहा है to enjoy this. फिनिश करते हैं हम लोग धीरे धीरे, and hope आप लोगों को सीरीज पसंद आ गई होगी.
Cheers with pineapple juice.
Yes. Yes. पहली बार देखा है, पहले सुना भी नहीं है. See how it looks like. It's a filling of cashews, and this was actually served on a bread. I think it's like a cutlet kind of a thing, but हमने सोचा कि
अच्छा है.
इसको ब्रेड के बीच में इसकी कुर्बानी ना देते हुए हम इसको डायरेक्टली खाएंगे, सो दैट वी कैन फील द रियल टेस्ट. डिफरेंट है ना.
It is tasty. So we have done with the breakfast. How was it? कैसा था?
बहुत ही बढ़िया,
मज़ा आया?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा.
अब what next?
जाके सो जाओ.
यही कर. They have the open parking area over there. आप देख सकते हैं, अपनी कार पार्क आप वहाँ पे करेंगे, और उसके बाद कार पार्किंग के जस्ट सामने ही दे हैव द रिसेप्शन, और ये जो एरिया है वो आपको रिसेप्शन की जगह पे ले जाएगा. तो आइए देखते हैं कि रिसेप्शन कैसा है. कम विद मी.
soon as we enter, you get welcomed by these awesome small trails of water. Looks awesome, right? Yes. Main खासियत इस particular area की ये है कि it is full of lush greenery, and आप observe करोगे कि at every step you are close to nature. Okay, and if you see the background, okay, the architecture over here, okay, is at another level. And why is it important? As soon as we walk through the property, this is actually made on the Switzerland architecture, Swiss architecture based property, and it will get you all the positive vibes of how beautiful this area looks like. And explore करते हैं what we have to experience here. And this is a reception area that we have for this property, and we have the front desk people, okay, here to welcome us, and you can observe the sit out area as well. एक होता है ना नाइट कैंप एक्सपीरियंस, रात में ऐसा ही लगता है जब बॉनफायर होती है। तो चलो आगे चलते हैं, एंड वी हैव द स्टाफ हियर विद अस, एंड
Hello, my name is Anjali. So I'm a reservation associate actually.
okay.
How's the stay?
Stay is perfectly awesome, and I think that was the main reason we wanted to cover this property as
Glad
part
to
of
hear
our
that.
channel. Okay, and guys, all goes to ma'am now for this great hospitality to welcome us. Let's see what else we have to experience in this area. Ma'am, all yours.
Yeah. So we have around 34 rooms, and the high category room is private pool villa and jacuzzi villa, and we have 2 base category room, that is studio and suite, and 1 premium villa. So also we have some adventure activities, that is zip lining, rope activities, wall climbing, and we have a glass bridge. Have you gone there, sir?
No, not yet. Not
Okay.
yet. We'll definitely visit.
Sure.
So, guys, if you remember, जो हमने starting में show किया था आपको, the Burma bridges, wall climbing, those are ad hoc adventure activities. Trust me, every property will charge you extra pennies for those activities. Okay, but here it's all complimentary. At this point of time, we have a package going on. But yeah, one of the important reason which actually pulled me to come this property is that free spa, which I'm gonna take it tomorrow. And yeah, so what else we have to offer? I think as soon as we enter, this is one kind of a shopping
Yes,
outlet.
it's a gift shop, sir. Please.
Come with us, let's see. Awesome. I think one of the best part is they have that activity plan in the evening जहाँ पे these household grown spices are there. They have their own set of plantations. और शाम को जाके definitely देखते हैं कि how it feels like and which adds up to the taste. And obviously when you come to this place like Kerala, you'll definitely feel like कि how these things are actually coming from the ground level. तो देखते हैं शाम में कैसा नज़ारा है इनका. Thank you so much, ma'am. We'll proceed further. And let's explore how further we. I think if I'm not wrong, this is built on the Swiss architecture.
Yes.
Yeah,
Right.
that's the main limelight of this property. And this is how we proceed further.
So this is our banquet hall.
Okay. And ये नज़ारे देखिए इस लश ग्रीनरी में. अगर आपको मौका मिले रहने का तो आप क्यों ना रहें. ठीक है. Looks like a night camping place with luxury in place. And let's see how further this property is going to add up to the taste of this great place, Kerala.
restaurant?
It's a multi-cuisine restaurant, Cloud Garden.
Okay, it's a multi-cuisine restaurant, and with that we can breakfast. We can do the breakfast over here, and dinner and lunch. Everything is there. So the next thing is, you can see on my right side, this is a
Amphitheatre.
orchestra, right?
Amphitheatre.
Okay, this is an amphitheater. Something live show and all these things will come over there, and we'll proceed further and we'll check how it does look like.
What is the capacity for this particular place? Like how many can sit here?
Maximum, 80 to 90.
80 to 90?
Yes.
Okay. And what will be the major highlights of this area? Matlab, when we say that, okay, you have events planned here in the evening?
Yes, a birthday function we can do, and if they want, open like wedding
Okay.
reception, we can arrange it here, sir.
Perfect. Guys, I think last evening, just after a cup of coffee, we did witness a bonfire over here, and there was a live music performance. I think it adds up to the taste, ठीक है? And another surprise was actually at the time of the dinner, जहाँ पे हमने observe किया कि they have set up a set of tables for a couple, basically for a candlelight dinner. You can imagine कि how dense this area is. And with this staircase in the back, और बीच में imagine कि रात में you just have a night lamp above your head, and it gives the experience at another level, है ना? Definitely आप believe करोगे कि मुझे यहाँ पे आके रहना है और explore करना है इस प्रॉपर्टी को, ठीक है? And let's proceed further with ma'am. Okay, ma'am, let's proceed further where you want us to go, and let's see और क्या क्या है यहाँ पे.
Jacuzzi villa, so we'll check how it is look like, and they have the pool villa as well. और यहाँ पे एक पूल भी है, तो हम आपको उसका एक्सप्लोर कराते हैं कि आपको कैसा लगता है. तो देखते रहिए और बने रहिए इस ब्लॉग के साथ. जकूज़ी विला पे लेके जाती है, तो देखते हैं कि हमारा जकूज़ी विला कैसा लगता है. आई एम श्योर उसको देखने के बाद यू कांट वेट टू बुक दिस रिजॉर्ट. सीरियसली आप आओ, देखो, इस ब्लॉग में एक्सप्लोर करो, उसके बाद यू कैन डेफिनेटली बुक दिस रिजॉर्ट फॉर योर नेक्स्ट ट्रिप इन वायनाड. तो देखते हैं अब जकूज़ी विला कैसा लगता है. आपको एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस पे ले जाने वाली हूँ, तो देखिए और एक्सप्लोर करिए मेरे साथ.
This is the best part. You have this night lamp outside. ऐसा लगता है कि जंगलों के बीच में नाइट कैंपिंग के लिए आ गए हैं.
This is a small set out area outside only. आप आराम से बैठो और यहाँ पे पूल का चिल करो. उसके बाद अंदर एक small area where you can see something living room. Sofa है there, and with sofa you can watch TV and just enjoy your vacation. आगे दिखाती हूँ और क्या है. They have partition the room in two parts. First is the living area and another one is the bedroom area. Wait, 2 minutes. I'll show you something very interesting. You can come and just see this. Oh my goodness. They have done the decoration over here for the couple one. You can come and give the surprise to your loved ones. I'm sure they will be very happy to see this beautiful decoration here. आराम से आप अपने Now come to the luxury part over here. आप ये रिजॉर्ट बुक क्यों करना चाहेंगे? Why only this room? मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. आओ मेरे साथ. This is the balcony, and with this balcony, you can sit over here and you can enjoy your jacuzzi. So, jacuzzi में आइए बैठिए और अपना water is hot. This is something very interesting. You can feel relaxed in jacuzzi and you can see the view. तो मैं तो यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी आप लोगों से, आइए अगर वायनाड में आ रहे हैं तो मौरी कैप रिजॉर्ट को बुक करना तो बनता ही है.
Okay, I told you that that room has one of the major buy point, which not everyone will give it to you. Yes, jacuzzi is one of the major thing there. Personally, I chose this property because of the spa. Okay, and it was complimentary with the package, and I am actually very much excited to feel like how it looks like. So, even a specific kind of a spa, ma'am, or is
It's
it?
an Ayurvedic spa, sir.
It's an Ayurvedic
Yes.
spa. Okay. And you have the trained professional who is from Kerala
Yes.
itself to do it?
From Kerala itself, sir.
Okay, perfect. What will be the timings, ma'am?
It's from open from morning 8 to till evening 8.
Guys, as I'm walking down close to this thing, you can feel that aroma, smell of the fragrances coming up from the spa room. Okay, ma'am, you can guide us.
Ayurveda spa.
This is Aruta Ayurveda Spa. Okay.
Please welcome, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So, it's like before you entered the spa, okay, it feels like okay, your nostalgia of your breathing changes. Okay, you have this great aroma coming up. This is the spa.
So if you are taking full body massage, you'll be having 60 minutes full body spa. After that 15 minutes steam bath will be there.
Once you complete your full body massage over here, yes, this is the complete setup, all professionally put up to welcome you. And guys, I don't think so that you should be waiting to come here. Okay, you know what it looks like, what it feels like. We are here to give you the complete exposure. 60 minutes of spa, you get rejuvenated. Okay, you have that refreshing moments coming up. Take a steam bath and then go back to the ambience, full of nature, lush greenery in this Swiss architecture property. It feels great. Yeah, let's explore what else it has to offer. So we have 2 rooms here now.
Yes.
We have 2 rooms.
Yeah. One is male, one for females.
Okay, one for male, one for female. And what are different kind of spas that one can actually avail here?
Sir, actually this is Ayurvedic one. So we are using Ayurvedic oils. Body we are using Dharmadram. In head we are using Shirabala.
Okay, now what is that Shirabala and the other?
It's good for strain and
Okay.
stress
Okay.
and cooling your head.
Okay.
It's very good for headache also.
Nice. Guys, I think we come here for a vacation because everyone has got this 9 to 6 or 8 to 5 job. Many of them doing work from home in this pandemic situation. The best part is come to this property, enjoy their spa, okay? And when you're in a place like Kerala, how can you miss this special features available here? Okay, a lot to come, a lot to explore, and hope you're enjoying this series. And फिर मिलते हैं आपसे थोड़ी देर में about some shots of this property. Keep enjoying. Thank you. बैक एंड में स्विमिंग पूल है, अभी नहीं जा रहे, धूप हो रही है, बाद में जाएंगे. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंजॉइंग देयर वेकेशन एज वेल, सो वी गिव देम देयर प्राइवेसी. एंड अगर आपको याद होगा, भीमताल में मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि हाँ, देयर इज अ भीमताल लेक, यू हैव दिस ट्रेल वॉकिंग, यू कैन गो बैक टू दैट वीडियो. बट अगर आप देखोगे, वी हैव अनदर ट्रेल इन द मिड ऑफ द प्लांटेशंस in this Swiss based property. Gitanjali, if you can turn around and show everyone how this trail looks like. This adds up to the leke will enjoy this.
Yes, for sure.
Ma'am, if I'm not wrong, apart from your regular job, what do you think being associated with this property?
The great, actually even I am from different place, Karnataka.
Okay.
So this environment is quite good actually for me.
Awesome.
I feel, not as a staff, as a, I want to stay here for one night. I feel like I'm getting family.
To all my friends from Karnataka, best part is Bega Banni. Okay, let's enjoy Madi over here, and you can't wait to come and explore. Just 6 hours drive from Bangalore, and you can come here and enjoy this beauty. And with such great hospitality which staff over here is provided, I think it's really great. अरे आप आ जाओ यार, ठीक है, यू आर डबल सर्टिफिकेट होल्डर फॉर वैक्सीनेशन. कम, कैरी योर प्रॉपर हाइजीन, प्रॉपर वैक्सीनेशन स्टफ्स, आके एक्सप्लोर करो. केरला इज़ अ लॉट टू ऑफर, एंड मॉरिकैप इज़ लाइक एट अनदर लेवल हु इज़ गोना गिव यू all this beautiful experiences. And if you don't believe me as a customer went to the TripAdvisor, go and check out the reviews. That speaks the real taste of the customers. That's what this property is all about. आओ explore करो and enjoy करते हैं हम अपना ये stay over here. Thank you so much guys.